morning vlog. So it is day one proper of Speed Sport. Very excited. We're heading over there in about 20 minutes to go see the General Lee jump, which is very cool. Alright, so I'm walking over to the General Lee building. Right there. Should be interesting. This will be a interesting day.
Hey, we're here at the General Lee. I'm Parker Barrio, by Clueless. We're here at the General Lee in the Coliseum parking lot, and that's Nathan.
He's gonna put that in. He's gonna put that in the after movie.
Nice hot crowd.
Okay, so the jump was very cool.
I bet.
Cole's back on the vlog, and so is Matt, and so is Nathan. Matt, we missed you.
Not dying this time.
Yeah. Oh my God, yes. Yes, because last time you were at Stains.
At every car show.
Yeah, at every car show. Yeah. Oh, it's bright. It's brighter than my future.
Dude, it's just blocked off. You so good right now.
What are you trying to do? Jump the sieve?
No, of course not.
No, never. Never.
No.
Always.
That engine runs great.
Wait, so
Leaks oil a lot.
Nice.
I left it for like 4 or 5 hours in the garage, and there was like a puddle like that big. So it's like the equivalent of what the Jetta used to be.
Watch out, DNR is coming for us.
Is he still wearing the high vis?
I would if I had it.
Oh my God.
All right, you all go ahead.
Oh my God. Yes. Some lettuce. And then I will have jerk aioli and some.
No, we are dying.
I got a bag.
Confirmed.
I'll have.
And that one, thank you.
Yeah. Thank you.
And mayonnaise and mustard.
We are currently dying, but it's okay. We've got the subway, and we're dying, but we're men.
Corey, everything's regular traffic when you're a civ.
I don't want to work.
Or subway. And now we are going
Oh my God.
to
Back to
Dollar
Speed
Store.
Sport.
No,
Put your seatbelt on.
Dollar
It's
Store.
safe.
Dollar Store, and then Speed Sport.
Slow down.
Speed Sport.
You're going 51. It's 50.
Oh my God. Hi, Parker. Hi, Matt.
Nope, not dying this time.
Matt is dying again.
No, not dying this time. False alarm. False
No,
alarm.
you're dying. You're dying. Tell us you're dying. Tell us you're dying.
Well, it just says CGM unavailable, so I just don't know what my blood sugar is right now. But we're not dying, so we're alive for now.
he's dying.
Well,
Okay, vlog. So we are headed to the concert now. Oh, I didn't tell you guys. We're shooting a concert tonight too. So not just the car show, but a concert. So let's go do that. So I guess I've made it here before with the Run the River crew. Now I just gotta go try and find them. Not bad, not bad. I guess I'm your welcoming crew.
There he is. Yeah, you found the right spot, so that's
did.
good.
Yeah.
So you're in Moncton right now.
Yes.
Okay.
I no. So it's. Yeah. Magic. I'm actually just Professor X.
Professor X, you got nipple powers now that I didn't know about? You gotta warn me about that if you're gaining superpowers.
Only superpower I'm gaining is the strength of my forearms from carrying my camera.
You want to just hop up and...
Yeah. Yeah, Brayden, get you set.
Some car show like
Yeah. I kind of have my hands all kinds of
something great.
These days I'm gonna make a supercut of all the things you say, and I'm just gonna flip it to you in a big TikTok.
I hope so.
Yeah. Inspiration of Mark Cuban.
Prettiest song. If you're cool with us just maybe trying a bit.
The boys have just finished their sound check, which sounds really good. Demago is a really good song. Go stream. Go stream. Joel, is the song you just played, is it on streaming services yet?
Yeah, this one.
It is? Okay.
Punch the Dark.
Go stream Punch the Dark.
It's always me just being like, hey everyone.
So we are sitting at the event right now. We're just kind of waiting for the stuff to get started. Brayden is doing sound. He's doing really good.
And we're all having to share also. You don't see it here. But don't wanna be with nobody. Try to fit into it. Don't mean to go on.